Okay, we saw this place coming in and you know I'm going there. It is 7 a.m. in the morning and we are in line for it. Well, it's a little bit before 7 and they open at 7, but their sign said open. I like these shelves. We'll claim them. Slappy Cakes.
Okay, all right, how does it work?
For the griddle is the top of the menu. Every bottle of pancake mix makes 2 big pancakes, 4 medium or 6 small. Fixins that can be used to cook with the pancake mix or on top of the pancake mix are $3 and $4 each. They come in ramekins big enough to share, and especially because you're only 2, so anything that you folds my one, you can share it. Pancakes from the kitchen come in a stack of 3, but you could order 2 or 1. And anything that you see in this pancakes, you can also recreate it in the do it make it yourself section. On the other side of the menu we have drinks, and under the pancakes we have breakfast plates and breakfast bowls. So if you folks have any doubts or any questions, just let me know.
Okay.
Okay? And I'll give you a couple of minutes.
Okay.
Oh, we just start this? Or?
What about
once we order, I'll just turn on the griddle.
All right, Mr. Parrot is making my pancakes. He does this at home too, right?
Yep. I'm with you.
That's good. That's 1. We got bacon, we got coconut syrup, we got our coffee. Look at his plate. Now we gotta wait for that thing to start bubbling. How many did that make? Half? Like half of it made this size. Well, is it ready?
I think so.
Okay.
Ready?
Flip it. Yeah. You got a compliment. One of the workers came over and said, "That's a beautiful pancake." And what did you say?
I've done it a few times.
He makes my pancakes. I love it. He's making one for the road. There's no way I'll eat this whole thing. But that's an appetizing sound.
But we're eating it all.
We put the coconut. Hey, I can call it coconut gravy. I also like the kids are behind us. They're happy too to have pancakes. Great place to bring the kids. So this is, no, I don't think so. What do you think? Should we jaywalk? I'm following him. Here, we'll get the evidence. Well, it says pedestrian right there. Or the pedestrians are. Why don't they have a crosswalk here? Oh. Yeah, let's go down there because it's too busy. Alright, so we got to cross the road safely. Sorta safely. But we want to show you these food trucks that are lined out. Oh, I didn't even notice this. They have ice cream, but they have these little kiosks, like a little market. So the market people will be here later, probably. Oh, now we're talking. But we'll come back and get some footage of this later. So here are the choices that the people that are staying in the resorts. Obviously, there's restaurants and things over there, and we just went to Slappy's Pancakes, regular restaurant, but they also have malasadas, fresh squeezed lemonade, Aloha Sweets, Mala Sundae. Oh yeah, loaded fries. You can just get loaded in paradise. Smash burgers. Oh wow, look at this. This is the best pho and Vietnamese foods. I love pho, and he does not. Yeah, everybody can get what they want, and that's, look at all these food trucks, you guys. I mean, they just go on and on. That's a hibachi experience there. Okay, so our plan today, while I show you all of these, that's fish. We're just gonna walk down the beach by our resort, and there's several hotels, but you can walk the beach right in front of all of these resorts. And it's a nice coast or beach walk. Tomorrow, we decided to book a tour. There's Thai food. No, Roger says, ugh, too spicy. And we're gonna take the tour, the guided tour, on the road to road to Hana, and Heroes, so you don't have to walk all the way over there. Oh yeah, I didn't think about prices. Look, coffee place is hopping. Now the cinnamon roll place was not open. We're just not, we may not get the cinnamon rolls. Well, today is Wednesday, right? We'll get them Friday morning. That'll be our hero. I don't know. I don't see them. Where did? Oh yeah, you see the hero that they sell them, but we don't see the price for them. Huh? Lahaina grinds, and you can have sushi, and then you got your coffee here. So I guess I don't know what time do these open. What's this container office thing right here? What they are selling condos. That's not the white bird that we just saw flying, but hey, it's a pretty bird. Look, there's two of them. Oh, there's three. Hi guys. They're probably just waiting for some scraps. I'm coming. Pathway over to the beach. Yeah. You want to do a helicopter tour?
No.
I don't either. We've done it. We're done. Oh, you got the sun going now. Look at that sparkling ocean. You can just see the sparkles. Hear that sound? No lounge chairs on the beach. Now, are you wanting to leave our shoes here or just tie them around us with your jacket?
What?
Do you just want to tie our shoes around us with your jacket? Or leave them here? Where you can see the islands. There, you can see them today. Yesterday, you couldn't even see them. Walk the beach. Just trying to get the Hawaii. Cold. You're as cold as ice. See, it's gonna lap up here. Yeah, well, how about we go up these? Well, can we go around there? They did. Hurry. You don't want to be here when the tide changes. Woo! Okay, hurry. Woo! We only got to get right over there to that sunny spot. The waves lapping at our feet. Oh, so nice. Yeah. It's fun, isn't it? So we walked all the way to our resort from those resorts down there, but this is kind of cool because we got a little bit more rock and shell activity down here. I'll have to come down and do some sand art, but I don't take any of it with me, but I will do some. I'll make a little heart or something like that. Huh. It's almost a heart shape right there. is to find a wad of whale vomit. That stuff is worth thousands and tens of thousands of dollars. Can you believe it? Whale vomit. I look for it, don't you think I don't? Bless me, Lord, with some whale vomit. What you do is you find it and then you can sell it. It is crazy, crazy valuable thing. Maybe it's anointed because the man of God was inside the whale's belly for so long. Who knows? But I like this beach. I like our beach. We got lots of nice, cute little rocks and things in ours. So we haven't done any research or anything, but I wonder what happened to the zipper vessel that landed right there. Did it get stuck and they never could take it out off of the sandbar? We also have not investigated what island is that or what island is that over there. But we have two islands facing us right here at our resort, which is up there. Here we are at the shipwreck. See where the barnacles were on this boat. But look in there, there's little fishies. How cute are those? Very shallow water. Nice little bitty fishies staying safe. That's a good start for my art. Look at all this. Any whale vomit? Did you ever know anyone who was hoping to find whale vomit? Do you know how much that stuff is worth?